Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chaz, and if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to customize iOS 14 home screens. So this is how my screens look as of right now. I'm gonna show y'all how to do certain customizations, the basics. So first you're gonna go to Widgetsmith. You're gonna download Widgetsmith and you're gonna download color widgets. So as you can see, uh, the apps they say small 1, small 2, small 3, small 4, small 5, and then you'll see them saying medium 1, medium 2, medium 3, medium 4, medium 5. So those are just different shapes: small, medium, large. So for each page, you do a different color aesthetic. So let's say I want to go green. I'm gonna go to Pinterest or Google and I'm going to find some green pictures, and maybe if I have something in my photo library of me and something green, then I could use that too. But yeah, I just find some cool, dope green pictures that I'm interested in, and I screenshot them, I crop them, and I add them to a photo album. You could do it like green photo album, pink photo album, red photo album, or you can put all of your pictures with all colors in one big photo album and title it iOS 14 or title it whatever you want to title it. So yeah, right here you're just gonna see me gather all my photos. First I'm gonna go green, then I'm gonna go pink, then I'm gonna go I think blue. I'm gonna do a couple of different colors, just to spice it up and just so I can show y'all. This is just for sample purposes. I'm just really picking like random little pictures that I think is kind of cute. This is not how my regular one is. But yeah, so right now I'm on pink, and you can just type in iOS 14 aesthetic, iOS 14 pink aesthetic, iOS 14 white aesthetic, green, whatever color you're on. You can download an app to where you can customize the apps to where there's the iOS 14 and it'll say Instagram, and then when you tap it goes so directly right to here Instagram. I am cropping all of the pictures that I have, so that way when I go to put them on the Widgetsmith app, and they won't show up on my lock screen or my home screen with the date and time or the Pinterest stuff, just crop it to your liking. Okay, so y'all can see on this screen, I made it white. I made it dedicated to Tusi. Now add the little clouds. Now I'm going to go back in and find my blue pictures. Place them where I want them. Trying to play with it. Get it to how I want it to be. And that's just what I'm going to do. In order to change a widget, you double tap the widget or you hold it down to get it the home screen in edit mode. Any other way, like the same way that you would do any other app when you're moving it or deleting it, you double tap it and then it's going to flip and it's going to say, for example, medium 1, medium 2, medium 3, medium 4, with whichever number the picture that you want it to be, whichever number it is in Widgetsmith, like this one right here, let's say small 2, I will go in and pick small 2, and then it would display on the home screen as whatever small 2 is. So small 2 is the Jordan 1s. That's what it would display on the home screen. Another thing you can do when you're editing your home screens, you can put a picture with a calendar. So right here you can see I'm gonna add the pink picture of the airplane or the picture of the ones, and you're gonna see April 16th, and it'll show up on your home screen whatever the date is for that day. So if it's January 1st and I've been did my home screens months ago, okay, so y'all, January after 1st, you get done it's still gonna show up as January with Widgetsmith and getting your pictures in there, the last thing you want to do is download color widgets, and this is how you get your custom calendars. Usually the calendars work better with the medium Widgetsmith. You still use Widgetsmith when you're using color widgets, You still use widget, you just use the app color widgets. And they have customized calendars. You can put a picture behind it. You can just do a regular analog clock. You can do a dialogue clock, whichever one suits you. Right here, I'm going into color widgets to show y'all the different calendars they have. Like I said, they have the options to where you can put a picture behind the calendar. Um, I did put a picture behind the calendar and I put my own little quote. And then I have a Bible app that I also use for inspirational quotes and scriptures. And then I just added that as a large image to my home screen. And I also have different widgets that come with the phone, like the Gmail app, the music app. And they'll allow you to add those as widgets too. Also, Cash App, the weather app. You just have to see what they allow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.